Welcome back. In today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on a sunset cut crease. So it's really kind of a gloomy, rainy day today, and so I'm thinking I want to brighten it up. So I will be doing that today, and let's get started. I'm going to be applying some eye primer from Minerals. And some of this on my eye here a little bit. I'm taking this primer and just applying it all over my lid. I'll be starting out with the shade Soft Cork here out of my Minerals palette. I don't know if I've mentioned this before in my other videos that I actually created this palette myself, so it's really nice that you can just get all the colors that you prefer and put together a either 12 shade palette or a 4 shade palette. Just starting with this using my Essential Crease brush, and I'm going to just work this into my crease. And I have already put my foundation on and the rest of my base today off camera, really just focusing on the eye look today. I'm sure you already guessed it that I also did my brows. Just continuing to work this soft cork color into my crease, just blend it up toward my brow bone. This serves as a transitional color. I will be taking the shade Catching Fire here, and I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna pack this color into my crease. I'm just continuing to pack this Catching Fire shade all through my crease here, just darkening it up with each application. Now this does take a little bit of work, but it's getting on there really nicely. I'm also going to take that Catching Fire shade underneath my eye here, just to blend these colors together to match up here at the outer corner of my eyes. And then going back in with my Soft Cork shade with my Essential Crease brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and buff this outer edge out, soften that up a bit. Next, I'm going to take the shade Luxe, this black shade here, on a e.l.f. C brush, and I'm going to run a little bit of that through my crease just to darken it up a bit. I'm taking this shade and I'm running it not quite all the way into my inner corner here, but I'm taking it down into a little further just so that I can have this shade really make that cut crease more dramatic when I apply the concealer. I'm also going to take some of that same shade and put it in the outer corner, outer V area of my eye. and run it underneath my eye as well. And now with my Catching Fire shade again, I am going to go ahead and add that again up at the top here, just where my black shade kind of went up a little bit higher than I'd like, so I'm just going to apply that just to blend it here at the top. We're going to add some of the Catching Fire here, just the edge of the black. Just keeping the inner corner of my eye blank right now for when I apply my concealer. And then with a mini eye shade brush, I'm going to take the shade Cork again, or Soft Cork, and work that right underneath my eye just to help blend these shades underneath my eye. I am now going to take my bareMinerals Bareskin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer, and what I'm going to do is, using a Real Techniques shading brush, I will apply this to the inner corners of my eyes to start the cut crease. And then I'm going to take my finger and blend this concealer out here a bit on the edges. And now with the shade Sunset Shift right here, I'm going to first go over where I applied my concealer with, again, with my eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to take that and pack that on over the top of my concealer. And then, using the same brush, I'm going to take this color here in Lemon Drop, go over the Sunrise Shift shade. That's a tongue twister. Go ahead and apply this over the top. Pretty yellow. Definitely goes with my sunset theme that I'm going for here. Now that I've got my yellow Lemon Drop shade applied, I'm going to take my C brush again and just work a little bit more of this black Luxe shade into my crease. And this is just to darken this up a bit after applying those lighter shades. I'm just packing this into my crease gently as to not disrupt my other lighter shades that I want to remain there. And then on a base shadow brush, I'm going to take my Catching Fire shade and just take some of that on the outer corner here, just to blend these colors out right at the edges. Now with my e.l.f. blending eye brush. I'm going to take the shade Tart right here out of my palette and apply some of that to the inner corner of my eyes. And using the same shade and same brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of that at my brow bone. I think it's coming along pretty nicely here. The shade up here at the top just helped tie in the other shade into the brow bone there. Looks pretty nice. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade in Starluster here and just take a little bit of that and add that just right underneath my brow bone, or right below my eyebrow there, is what I should say. And now with my bareMinerals Lasting Line in Absolute Black eyeliner, I am going to go ahead and put that into my waterline and tightline with it. Now that I've got my eyeliner applied, I am going to apply some Lash Domination mascara from bareMinerals. Now that I've got my mascara applied, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my Bare Pro Concealer and put that under my eyes just to clean things up a bit and sharpen up the outer corner of my eyeshadow here. And using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm going to go ahead and work this concealer. I'm just buffing this concealer underneath my eye and then taking it along the edge here just to clean it up and sharpen this outer corner. And then with my Real Techniques setting brush, I'm going to take some bareMinerals finishing powder and set that concealer underneath my eye. I'm now going to take a Burts Bees lip crayon in the shade Niagara Overlook and apply that to my lips. And over the top of that, I'm going to take some lip gloss from bareMinerals in the shade Glitz. I'm going for like a little darker color, but not too dark. So hopefully this is going to end up how I want it. I've got my lipstick applied and the lip gloss. I really do like the color and how this turned out. I'm really liking the eyes, and next I'm going to put on some false lashes. I don't have the box anymore, but they're by Kiss. I do remember that. I don't remember the style, but I'm going to go ahead and bump this look up a little bit and apply those. I went ahead and applied those lashes, so now I've got some voluminous eyelashes at the moment. Being dark and rainy out today, the lighting isn't, I feel, as good as it normally is, but hopefully everyone can see okay. And this is the sunset cut crease look that I was going for, and I hope that you all enjoyed. And it turned out pretty good. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see any future videos like looks I can create, or some other types of instructional tutorials, and leave them in the comments below. I also have my link to my Instagram down below if you'd like to follow me there. I post pretty often looks that I do if I'm, you know, going out, running errands, just here and there, and some other kind of lifestyle posts as well. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!